Well, I have to speak in this bit, I think. In this comment, the group has been created, which is the staff and the ID of the group 2018. And the second here, just this comment just to retrieve the group information, which is shows that the group has been created, name staff, and the ID of the group name 2018. Here, just I have been added to the group person name Alto. So in order to add the person to the group, just give in the ID of the group and the name of the person that you want to add him. So we have add Aldo as a case study here. Then after that, Azure has sent me back ID for Aldo, which is unique ID. Then I have used this ID just to assign faces to Aldo by using this command, add face to person, which is add faces or photo to represent Aldo inside the group. Aldo, this the name of the person Aldo, the ID that has given to us by Azure, which is the same if you look at it. Then the name or the ID of the group that I have add Aldo to, which is 2018. After I have sent that, then here Aldo, not Aldo, the folder that stored Aldo photo. So after that, Azure has added the 3 photo to Aldo, which is in 3 phase 1, 2 and 3. Add successfully. Then later on, I just ask Azure to train the group by send training request to train the group by just mention. I don't need to mention the staff group. I just mentioned the ID of the group, which is 2018. Then return back to me the task. I did ask Azure to send me back the training status, if it is successful or it is failed. As for here, it is failed for a certain reason, which is said the photo is not clear, which I have to fix it just to change the light of the resolution of the screen of Raspberry Pi, which is supposed to light too much, so it's make the photo not clear. It's just technical reason far away from the photo, because the photo itself is clear. Then I have sent, after I fix the problem, I just resend assign the image to Aldo. Then I train the group and check the status of training was successfully, the date 9th of October, and show me the status of success, and also show me the date of the training. Then I just by sending this function, I want to check is the Azure ready to identify Aldo or not. What I did, let me show you what I did. Let me review these steps. I have create image, function. This function takes to parameter the location of the image that we are supposed to take in by camera and the ID of the group that we want to check with. I just let us do it now. Let's assume that the image, when taken by camera, it will store here in this path, home/pi, and it has to name image.jpg or png. It doesn't matter, but it has to be image because I have program based on that. Let us check this is image. Yeah, this is Aldo face. Let us check if the Azure will identify Aldo or not. Just let us back here. Just let me copy this one. Since the image is still the same image name, it was image, which is have Aldo face. Delete that one. Check us to identify Aldo or not. Yeah, he said it's Aldo. Let me take another image to Aldo and check if the Aldo knew it or not. I think I have Aldo too. Yeah, let me take that one and name it image. Let me change the name for that one. Let me call it Aldo only. Let me call this is image. So now I assume that this image was sent to Azure. That one. Azure will check. Assume that this image has taken by camera and sent to Azure, and let us see Azure identify this image to Aldo or not. Me back to Python. Just check person /home/pi/image image. group.jpg, comma, no, comma after, comma, the name of the group 2018. Oops, okay, there's something goes wrong. Okay, show me that the such as file or direct access. Okay, the path of the image is wrong because it has to be JPG. I have typed JPF, which is nothing like this. Okay, let me fix it and then check back again. JPG, yeah, that's what sent me this photo for Aldo. So based on that, is Azure able to identify Aldo photos, which is the 3 of them I have checked. Let me check another photo to Aldo to see if it is identify all of them or not. I think we have Aldo here. No, we have identified that one. Let me check this one. I have no idea which one I have checked. Let me check that one. Let me change the name here. Call it, which one? We call it image. The reason I change this for image always because I suppose any image taken by camera named image immediately. Image. Okay. So we are supposed to know this. The camera has taken this image and then send it to Azure. Let us see Azure knew this face back to Aldo or not able to identify Aldo. Let us check. Oh, sorry. Check person. Then /home /by /image.jpg, then comma, quotation, the name of the ID of the group that I want to check with. Okay, then back. Yeah, he's Aldo. Great. This is what has done for face identification stage of the face recognition. Let me show you the Python code that have been used. Desktop. This script has been used. For example, here this person, just to add person to the group, here create a group, here to connect all the pages together, and that's all. This is the Microsoft Azure has been create account with, and they are giving me 2 keys. I am free to use first key or second key to connect to Azure, but I usually to use first key one I mean. As you see here, the service has been created part of cognitive services, which I mean the Face API part of the belong to cognitive services of the Azure. And as you see, this is back to the University of Northampton, and I have received a message from them. They say subscription free trial has remained. They give me £200. Now I have only my account 150. That's all what's happened. What I've done with Azure. Let me back to the dashboard so that to see the dashboard. This is belong to the cognitive service that I have created, and I have inside this cognitive service I have created Face API, and this subscription belong to UK South, which is Northampton University has agreement, as I understand, or something like this with UK South, because Azure has support different region, UK, United States, West UK, so on. That's all. Thank you for your lesson. I have taken this video just in case of any problem in my Viper or demo day.